Cantors, creating traditions for the 21st century.
All right.
Okay, Sharks.
Just take out your cell phone. I don't care what you're doing, who you're texting.
A shul without a roof. Sounds crazy, you know?
Cantors are masters of Jewish culture.
Everyone has all their music library in there. What I want you to do is just throw it away, smash it. It's no longer in the cloud. Your entire musical library is gone.
We're offering you a 100% equitable partnership.
The cantor, tradition.
Imagine now replacing that entire musical library with nonstop bad karaoke and music.
The Chazan is the beating heart of the synagogue, the life force that keeps the rhythm of the Jewish people alive.
Who can teach our children to learn the trope so they can chant out of the holy books?
There's a reason why orchestras still employ musicians who play music that is 500, 600, 1,000 years old. This is why you need to hire a Chazan.
So investing in a cantor is investing in the souls of each Jewish person.
Because singing is just the beginning.
If you think hiring a professional is expensive, wait till you've hired the wrong person and see how much that costs you.
We bring the Jewish soul to the community.
The entire musical tradition of our people, dating back before the DNA, Ancestry.com, rests on our shoulders.
It's your choice. Who's in?